Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a clear niche and gathering minimal gear so you can publish quickly. Pick one product category to focus your audience. This improves discovery and repeat viewers. Once chosen, assemble a reliable kit: a phone or camera, a lavalier mic, basic lights, and a tripod. This keeps quality consistent. Make a simple brand kit including channel name, logo, and a 5-8-second intro to reinforce identity. Doing these first builds momentum and avoids scattered content. You now craft each review with a consistent structure so viewers know what to expect. Start with a 15-30-second hook that highlights the main benefit, then present concise specs and a hands-on demo to show how the product performs in real use. Film multiple angles and 6-12 seconds of close-up B-roll for key features. These shots make edits smoother. Once done, edit for rhythm, cut filler, keep momentum, and end with a clear verdict and a call to action explaining why they should subscribe or buy. You finish by optimizing and promoting each video to reach viewers. Upload with a keyword-rich title, a bold thumbnail that focuses on the product and emotion, and 3-5 targeted tag keywords. Also write a concise description including specs and affiliate links. Once live, promote via short clips, niche forums, and one collaboration per month to grow reach. If views stay low, run a quick thumbnail, a /B test, and ask a small audience survey to identify misalignment. This often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.